Welcome everyone to Fourscore Solutions, where we believe in efficiency, collaboration, and innovation. I'm your host, Mike Terrell, and today we're diving into the heart of a productivity tool that's about to revolutionize the way you manage work. As mentioned earlier, I'm your host, Mike Terrell, and I'm a 10-year certified professional in using work management tools such as Smartsheet, Asana, ClickUp, and many more. So let's find out, what is a chargeback? A chargeback refers to the practice of allocating cost associated with IT services or resources back to the individual departments or users within an organization, typically based on their usage or consumption. This approach allows organizations to accurately track and attribute IT expenses to specific departments or projects, enabling better cost management, budgeting, or decision-making. This all sounds great in theory, but for large enterprises, we have more applications than we know what to do with. And unfortunately, more applications means more spend. So how do we combat rising costs? All right, so how do we go about doing this? Right now, we're looking at the end result. A fully finished chargeback dashboard built on Smartsheet that shows our user information and our licensing costs and the amounts that get charged back per department. But how do we get here? Well, we need to start with two critical pieces of information. One is our user information, and the second is our cost or contract information for the particular tool we're looking to charge back. The user information is pretty straightforward. Most tools will have an admin center where we can download a CVS of all the users that are leveraging that particular tool. With Smartsheet, we have a great tool called Data Shuttle, where we can upload the CSV file and automatically bring this information into Smartsheet. As we can see here, we have a Smartsheet pulling in all of our Smartsheet login history. We can see the user's name, email. We can pull in the department that they're assigned to, as well as their current status per Smartsheet specific topics. For instance, what is their status with a Smartsheet license? Do they use any premium products? Whether it's something like Dynamic View, Data Mesh, we can see a true false, and using this information, we can then automatically calculate and analyze this by comparing our user data to the actual cost of the application. In this example, we're laying out our cost of the application either by pricing tier, premium application, or any other characteristic of the contracts for the application at hand. Using our user data, we can pull in the number of licensed users, total users, or just in general the team members that are using this product. This should equate to the total cost of the contract, which we can outline via the sheet summary section within Smartsheet. But now we need to pull this all together. Once we have both that user information and costing information, we can now leverage Smartsheet and its analytical power to roll up all of our department information, see how many team members are using that particular tool set, how many licensed users exist, any premium applications that department is leveraging, and we can automatically pull in our licensing costs, any premium application costs, and ultimately the total cost that that team is using on an annual basis. These amounts can then be charged back on an annual basis to those teams. However, what happens when a new team member joins mid-contract? We have a solution for that as well. Simply put, we can have a Smartsheet form filled out where you can select the product type, which will automatically pull in the unit price, the number of licenses that are need to be allocated to a particular team, what activation period that is. And once we submit that, we can automatically generate either a quote or invoice to that particular team of prorated cost for that team mid-flight. So IT is no longer stuck having to foot an annual cost bill for new users joining during a contract period. We can now effectively track our chargebacks on an annual basis per department and also capture those mid-contract add-ons to an account by charging back the prorated cost as well. All of this through the power of Smartsheet and the Fourscore Solutions Smartsheet Chargeback Dashboard. If you're interested in working with us, please reach out to us today. We believe that our process, the Fourscore solution, works for all clients, regardless of size or industry. We believe that 4 simple steps will lead to strategic excellence. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to follow us for more. We have more content coming out every week. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in more solutions, visit us at fourscoresolutions.com.